Hey, it's another morning here. It's almost 12:30 a.m. I just thought I'd make a little video. Yeah, I was on here on Skype talking to my brother Larry Lowe and seeing how it was going. And, we were talking about Timmy 113 or Cyber 9, whatever he calls himself there. And, you know, it's funny how he comes up with his own ideas, Timmy. He, like, I don't know where he gets all these dolls from, but I think a lot of them he makes himself, which is a pretty good idea. You know what I mean? He tries to entertain people. I guess the whole story about Timmy, Larry, is I guess the guy likes to entertain, and he entertains people in his own fashion. Which there's nothing the matter with that. And so, like I said to you when I was talking to you earlier, I got to go to my job in the morning, not in the morning, in the afternoon. I was thinking to see if I can get a change for the morning, but I don't know if I want to do that or not with the winter coming. I'd rather probably go in the afternoon. It's the only problem about that is the days are too long. You know, the time I get out of there, it's dark. You know what I mean? And the sun's down, so it's cold anyway. So I don't know. But anyways, hey, Psycho, I got your messages. Thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you had a good time at your party. And now you have to wait over another year to do it all over again. I hope you don't have no headache, because I remember those days with the head bang, 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 bang. But as long as you and the old lady had a good time, that's all that counts. So, everybody, you all have a great, great morning, and catch us all later. Maybe I'll make another video, and maybe I won't. We'll see what happens. But, yeah, I don't know what else to say here. But that's it. Catch up with you. I'm out of here. For now.